It's important to have good partnerships. It's important to have good relationships and strong relationships and trusting ones. And that's the important thing of today.
We know we've got patients waiting longer for care than they should be, so that's what we're going to focus on, how we can get our highest, most vulnerable patients the care that they need.
We will have specialists in-house at Tākiri too, our Health, Wellness and Diagnostic Centre, and we will have them coming every day so that our people will be seen when they need to be seen.
Diagnostic imaging is one of the fastest ways to determine whether or not there's something wrong with you. Having that available on site in an integrated health centre like Tākiri too is just amazing.